content creation, social media marketing, writing speeches, doing wedding vows. And a good place to start is kind of just look around Fiverr and see what other people are doing. But you don't even have to stick on the platform. You can advertise your services on social media. LinkedIn is an amazing place to advertise your services. So start building your LinkedIn community, right? Start following people that follow you back, connect with people, connect with myself, connect with Keisha, like connect with people. And then as you grow your network, you start posting what services you offer. You know, a lot of times when I post on LinkedIn, it's not my direct followers on LinkedIn that end up being my clients sometimes. It's someone they know is looking for an AI trainer and they say, oh, I know this lady. I see her post about being an AI trainer, and they connect me. So don't even think that it's just the people that you're connected with, because you know, we always say, my parents used to always say, a closed mouth doesn't get fed. Everybody knows that, right? So you have to talk about your services. If you're not going to talk about your business, how do you expect someone else to? So you better talk about your business every minute that you can, the services that you have. You're posting on social media, you're updating your WhatsApp status, you're updating the world on what you're doing, so that you can draw in more clients. You have to be willing to spend an enormous amount of your time building your business. And in doing that, it's telling the world about what you're doing, who you are, and why you're so amazing.
Yeah, and it's easier than we think, right? I was even talking with a client about that, like, tell people what you do.